The Samsung Galaxy S22 series is a pretty great device, but the question is, should you invest in it this late in the game? It has been nearly a year since Samsung announced the Galaxy S22 series, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 is now just around the corner, with unpacked set for February 1. We'd recommend waiting for Galaxy S23 since it's just a month away, but that doesn't necessarily mean you should buy it. Shortly after launch, you're going to see significant discounts hit the Galaxy S22, so if money is a factor, you might just want to wait until February. The bigger question now isn't if you should wait until Samsung launches its new flagship. More importantly, is the Galaxy S23 is a big enough upgrade that you're willing to pay more for it? That's what we aim to find out in this quick Samsung Galaxy S23 22 comparison. While the Galaxy S22 series are still great phones, the Galaxy S23 series is poised to be a step up in several areas. First, the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will likely see a significant design overhaul. This will be the first time Samsung switched up the formula since 2021. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22 series look very similar, with the exception of the Ultra. Notably, leaked renders suggest the phones could adopt the look of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with the rear camera module broken up into 3 islands for each lens. If having the newest look is important to you, waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S23 family might be worth it. The Galaxy S23 phones should all have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 under the hood. There's even a rumor that there might be a faster, high-clock variant coming for the Galaxy S23 series. Regardless, this processor will almost certainly be more powerful and less power-hungry than its predecessor. If speed is of the utmost importance to you, it might be worth waiting to buy the Galaxy S23. Also, do note that we expect almost all phones in this series, if not every single one, to have this Snapdragon processor. Rumors suggest Samsung will skip its own Exynos processor for this year's flagship phones. This could also be an important factor in your decision-making if you live in an area where Exynos is your only choice at the moment. Another big upgrade we expect to see in 2023 is an increase in battery capacities for the Vanilla and Plus models. Rumors suggest we could see a 200 mAh boost for the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus, resulting in 3900 and 4700 mAh cells respectively. Combined with the new processor, this could result in significantly better battery life for both phones. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, however, is expected to have the same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessor. But a new system chip and more power-efficient display across all the models are 2 key factors that will also help enhance the battery life of the Galaxy S23 family. The camera on the Galaxy S23 series will reportedly swap out the 108 megapixels main shooter in the S22 Ultra for a 200 megapixels camera. It's worth mentioning the current main camera is technically 108 megapixels, but it shoots in 12 megapixels using pixel binning technology for a better image, so we'd imagine something similar with this new camera as well. Interestingly, the Galaxy S23 Ultra might be getting a bump down to a 12 megapixels selfie camera, which is a big drop from the 40 megapixels shooter found inside the S22 Ultra. This same selfie camera is also expected to arrive in the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. Ironically, that's an upgrade for these 2 phones as they currently have 10 megapixels selfie cameras. Although we don't have many other concrete rumors on the rest of the specs, we expect that much of the rest will remain the same. That means Full HD plus 120Hz displays on the S23 and S23 Plus, and a 1440 display with a 120Hz refresh rate on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's also safe to say that all models will start with at least 8 gigs of RAM, at least 128 gigs of internal storage, and wired charging speeds of at least 45 watts. If you're worried the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will retail for more than its predecessor did, we have no reason to believe that's true. Apple is still selling its latest iPhones at the same price as years prior, and Google's latest Pixel phones are at the same prices as they were in 2021. We have a strong feeling you can expect the same pricing for the Galaxy S23 series as last year's almost. If you absolutely need a phone right now and can't wait until February, buying a Galaxy S22 phone is a no-brainer. Sure, it'll get even cheaper once February arrives, but it's still going to cost you less than the retail price of the Galaxy S23 series. If you are on a tight budget and don't mind waiting, I'd hold out until the S23 arrives and then pick up the Galaxy S22 series at a potentially even deeper discount than you can get today. For those who just want a good phone, which model should you get? It really comes down to how much you care about those upgrades. These new Galaxy phones will be more powerful, likely have a new look, probably have bigger batteries and better overall battery life, and are very likely to land at the same prices as the Galaxy S22 family retailed for. Those are all very good reasons to stick it out and buy the newest model. But if the upgrades don't appeal to you, the Galaxy S22 will give you a lot of the same functionality, and yet you'll save some extra cash. So what do you guys think about upcoming S23 lineup? Let us know where you fall in this video. Already decided the Galaxy S23 is for you. You can reserve a Galaxy S23 right now through Samsung and you'll receive a $50 Samsung credit for one device or $100 credit for two. Keep in mind this is a non-commitment offer, meaning you can always cancel your reservation at launch. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. By the way, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.